Welcome to Mastering Next.js, a comprehensive guide to learning Next.js from scratch. If you're looking to level up your web development skills and take your project to the next level, you come to the right place. Next.js is a powerful framework for building server-side rendered React applications. It allows you to create highly performant and scalable web applications with ease. So, how can you learn Next.js? First, let's start with the basics. Understanding React.js is essential as Next.js is built on top of it. Familiarize yourself with React.js concepts like components, props, and state. Next, dive into the Next.js documentation. It's a goldmine of information, offering detailed explanations, examples, and best practices. Take your time to explore the fundamentals: routing, data fetching, and deployment. But the real learning comes from hands-on experience. Start by building simple Next.js projects like a blog or a portfolio website. The more you practice, the better you'll grasp the framework's capabilities. Next.js also offers great community resources. Join forums, follow tutorials, and participate in online communities to gain insights from experienced developers. Sharing your own knowledge and challenges can further enrich your learning journey. And don't forget about the power of video tutorials. Platforms like YouTube offer ways of Next.js tutorials for beginners, intermediate, and advanced learners. In summary, to master Next.js, remember these key steps. Familiarize yourself with React.js, dive into the Next.js documentation, practice building projects, engage with the Next.js community, follow video tutorials to enhance your skills. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more web development content.